Hello everyone. Have you ever been deceived by anyone? Do you suspect a person who is not worthy to be trusted? If yes, this video is for you. We are going to discuss about 5 types of people you should never trust 100% in your life. Well, if you're new here, I am your host Nathan Philip and you guys are watching Nicks and Ins. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, consider subscribing and enable the bell icon so as soon as we upload a new video, you get notified. Alright, let's begin. Number 1. A person without empathy not to be trusted. If you have a friend or an acquaintance who is not empathetic, beware of him or her. Empathy is a great value and it is the ability to understand others' feelings and emotions. Do you think a person who does not have a kind heart will be there when you are in distress? Do they even care to ask you how do you feel? No way. So don't trust them completely because they can leave you halfway and walk away. Number 2. People who are too polite or too sweet. I always get embarrassed if someone is over polite or super sweet. What is your thought on it? Mention that in the comment box. Remember, most of these guys have hidden agenda. They want to snatch something from you. It could be your money or anything. We never know. So keep your boundaries with these guys because you might burn your fingers if you trust them too much. Number 3. People with narcissistic personality not to be trusted. These sorts of people think that everything revolves around them. Only they know everything and others are not even close to him or her in intellect or talent. According to psychologist D.C. Hare, a narcissist cannot trust himself or his addictions or issues going on in his head. He does not even trust anyone and never sees anyone equal to him. Hence, he is not a trustworthy person. For narcissists, nothing is more significant than their ego and unhealthy self-esteem. Not even your trust. So, you know what to do. Number 4. The social climbers. Social climbers always want social attention. They will always show off or do anything to show others that they have expensive gears or they are so helpful and empathetic. These are all show-offs. They do not even have any shame to borrow an expensive gadget from others and post it on Insta or Facebook or any other social media and claim that it is owned by them. They bend, roll, stand, sit or run to seek attention. They are like chameleon and can change their color depending on the situation. I read somewhere that getting into a friendship with a social climber is like carrying a bomb in your backpack without your knowledge. Yes. Number 5. Someone who tells you other people's secrets. Does someone come and tell you all the time someone else's secrets? If yes, you are also at the risk of being exposed. Don't panic. No. It's a fact, man. Don't panic. These sorts of people have no loyalty even to their closest friends. Their big mouth can put you in trouble. If you have someone with this tendency in your gang, be your guard. Don't open and throw all your secrets to their basket. He or she will share it with the rest of the world, so beware. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, give us your likes and write your comments in the comment box. We truly value your feedback and we thank you for taking time mentioning them in the comment box. Consider subscribing and support our channel. Don't forget to enable the little bell icon so that you get notified as soon as we upload a new video. I will see you soon with another interesting video. Till we see next, stay safe, stay healthy. See ya.